Hey guys, so in my physics video, we're going to be talking about who hears the sound better, Connor or Chris. So to start off, we're going to want to find our wavelengths. To find the wavelength, we need velocity divided by our frequency. So we're going to use 343, the speed of sound, and divide it by the frequency of the speakers, 250. So with that, we get 1.37 wavelengths. So now we're going to move on to figuring out the distances. So what we do with the distances is we use this formula to figure out the waves that each of them are hearing. So we're going to do S1 subtract S2 divided by the wavelength. So we'll start with that for Connor. So we'll do 17 subtract 13.7 divided by our 1.37. 17 subtract 13.7. Now we'll divide that by 1.37. So for Connor, we get 2.4 wavelengths. Now we're going to do the same thing for Chris. So using that formula, S1 subtract S2 divided by our wavelength, we're going to do the same. 19 subtract 14.2 divided by the 1.37. 19 subtract 14.2 divided by 1.37. So for Chris, we get 3.5 wavelengths. Now, how we know who's going to be hearing the sound better is whoever is closest to the whole number is hearing the better sound. So with that, Connor is hearing the better wavelength. And that's my physics video. Thanks.